Hi again, welcome back to Modeliks. In this video you will learn how to add a new revenue stream in Modeliks. Revenue is usually where you start with creating your financial plan. To add a revenue stream in Modeliks, click the Add Revenue button. Then, name your revenue. Let's say that we have a bookstore, so we will name our first revenue stream, Book Sales. Next, select the revenue type. In Modeliks, there are 4 revenue types to choose from: product sales, service revenue, subscriptions, and revenue only. Product sales revenue type is best used when selling products. You will calculate your revenue by entering the number of products you plan to sell, or the unit sales, multiplied by their sales price, the unit price. Service revenue is best for service businesses that charge their clients for the time they spend working for them. You will calculate your revenue by entering the number of billable hours, or days, or months, multiplied by their price, the hourly rate. Subscriptions revenue type is best used for businesses that charge their customers on regular basis, monthly, annually, etc., such as subscriptions, rentals, or memberships. The last revenue type is revenue only. This is best used if none of the previous types are applicable, or if you want to enter revenue values without any additional details. Going back to our example, since we sell books, product sales would be the best suited revenue type. Select product sales and click Next. Now, the input screen opens. At the top, you can see the type of data that we need to enter in order to calculate our book revenue. In this case, we need to enter the unit sales, or the number of books that we will sell, and the unit price, or the price for each book. We will enter data for our unit sales in the table at the bottom. There are a few ways to enter data, and this will be the same across Modeliks. First, you can just type values in each cell in the table. You can also copy and paste from other cells in Modeliks, or copy and paste data from Excel. If you don't expect the number of units sold to change from one month to another, enter one number, and paste the same number until the end of the forecast period by clicking on the arrow that shows up in the cell. If you want to use a growth rate to calculate the number of units sold, click on the % growth checkbox below the table. A new table opens below. You need to enter the first number for units sold, and select the month when you expect to start selling these units. After that, write the expected monthly and annual growth rates, and Modeliks will calculate the number of units sold for you. Finally, if you want to calculate the number of units sold based on other value drivers, click the Set Formula button in the top right corner. There are separate videos explaining how to set formulas, called driver-based planning and driver-based model. Be sure to watch them because the benefits of driver-based financial plans are priceless. Going back to our example, click Next to enter unit prices. The input methods are the same as described earlier. Enter prices, and click Save and Close. Now, your revenue from selling books is calculated. If you want to make any changes to the number of units sold, or the unit prices, you can do it directly on this main revenue page in the table. The blue numbers are editable, and the black numbers are calculated and cannot be edited. Alternatively, you can click on the edit icon that shows up when you hover over the revenue stream name. It will take you back to the input screens, and you can edit your inputs there. You can also select to show your actuals here, if you input them already. More on this in a separate video. You can add as many revenue streams as you want. Just click the Add Revenue Stream button and add all your different revenue types and streams. Enjoy Modeliks and generate lots of revenue.